a power 3 minus b power 3 equal to 117. What is the value of a and b? Now let's go to the solution. The formula a equal to 1 by 2 f1 plus or minus root of 3 into f1 whole squared plus 12 into f2 by 6 and b equal to a minus f1. This is the formula. Here f1 and f2 equal to the multiple factor of 117 equal to 1 into 117 to 3 into 39, 9 into 13, 13 into 9, 39 into 3, 117 into 1. Now take this one, 1 into 117. Here f1 is equal to 1 and f2 equal to 117 minus f1 squared. That means 117 minus 1 squared equal to 116. Substitute the value. 1 by 2 f1 plus or minus root of 3 into f1 whole squared plus 12 into f2 by 6. One by 2 plus or minus root of 3 squared 9 plus 12 into 116, 12 into 116, 1392 plus by 6. 1 by 2 plus or minus root of 1401 by 6. Here 1 by 1401 is not a perfect square root. So this is cancelled. Check another one. 3 into 39. Here f1 is equal to 3 and f2 equal to 39 minus f1 squared. 39 minus 3 squared. 39 minus 9 equal to 30. So substitute the value. A equal to 1 by 2 plus or minus f1 3 root of 3 into f1 whole squared plus 12 into f2 by 6. 3 by 2 plus or minus root of 3 into 3 whole squared plus 12 into f2 30 by 6. 3 by 2 plus or minus 3 into 3 9, 9 squared 81 plus 12 into 30 360 by 6 equal to 3 by 2 plus or minus root of 360 plus 81 441 by 6. Here 441 is a perfect square root of 21. So 3 by 2 plus or minus 21 by 6 A equal to 3 by 2 plus 21 by 6 and 3 by 2 minus 21 by 6. Take common 6 into 3. 9 plus 21, 9 minus 21 equal to 21 plus 30 by over 6 and minus 12 over 6 equal to 5 minus 2. B equal to A minus F1. Here 5 minus 3 equal to 2 and A equal to F1. Minus 2 into minus 3 equal to minus 5. So A equal to 5, B equal to 2 or A equal to minus 2, B equal to minus 5. This is the answer. Now verify. A cube minus B cube equal to 117. 5 cube minus 2 cube equal to 117. 125 minus 8, 117. So 117 equal to 117. A cube minus B cube equal to 117. So minus 2 cube minus 5 cube equal to 117. So minus 8 minus 125. So minus into minus plus 125 minus 8 117. So 117 equal to 117. 117. So finally A equal to 5 and B equal to 2, A equal to minus 2, B equal to minus B. This is the answer. Thank you for watching.